The ultrasonic reading is stable here.
Confirmed. Logging the result as satisfactory.
The scan shows consistent thickness across the curve.
Yes, the ultrasonic data matches the specs perfectly. No delamination detected.
Move the spars to assembly bay 3 immediately.
Roger that, bay 3.
Check the tolerance on section 4. The automated arm seems slightly off the schematic alignment.
No, the thermal reading confirms it's within the parameters. It looks good.
Watch the overlap tolerance on station 42.
Looks good, right on the mark.
Approved.
Check the fiber layup near the access panel.
The scanner shows 0 defects on the last pass.
The ply layup looks good on section 42.
Confirming the laser alignment before the next automated sequence.
AGV is clear for transport to the autoclave.
The temperature on zone 3 is fluctuating slightly.
Cross-referencing the thermal data. It's within tolerance.
Are the readings stable for the 787 part?
Yes, all parameters are within tolerance. We can proceed.
Look at the thermal readings right here. We might need a slight adjustment on the next pass.
It's within the acceptable range, but I'll flag it for review.
The schematics show this panel alignment is off by 2 millimeters.
I see it. We need to pause the riveting sequence.
The sensor reading here is inconsistent with the baseline data.
It seems within tolerance, but let's double check the radius measurement against the schematic.
The laser scan shows a slight deviation right here.
Okay, let's cross-reference that with the schematic updates.
The stress test results on the landing gear look stable.
R5 data confirms the alignment is within tolerance. We are clear for the next phase.
Alignment stabilized. Green light across the board.
Copy that. Proceeding to the next sequence.
Check the readings on the laser scan. We need to verify the seam tolerances before proceeding.
Confirming alignment on section 42.
Clear on the starboard side. Move it forward slowly.
Roger that. Proceeding with caution.
Connection is seated. Powering up bank 3.
Confirmed. We have a green indicator on Module 4.
Check the voltage on schematic 7B. Are we within tolerance?
Reading stable. Data uploaded and confirmed. We are clear.
All green on the hydraulic pressure test, confirming the calibration.
Excellent work. Proceed with the final checks.
Confirming scan trajectory on the starboard wing.
Trajectory confirmed, proceeding as planned.
The torque specifications on strut 4 seem slightly off according to the tablet.
Rerunning the laser check now. Confirmed it's within tolerance.
Aligning pylon to wing mount.
Roger that. Clearance is good. Coming down slowly, steady at 500.
Clear on the left. We have alignment on the forward pin.
Locking it in now.
Alignment is good. Proceed with securing the main connection bolts.
Check the alignment on these forward bolts. The tolerance is extremely tight.
Reading confirmed. It's within spec.
Clear on the left side, coming down slowly.
Roger that. Alignment looks good from here. Secure the forward mounts.
The installation looks correct, according to the diagram.
Yes, the alignment is perfect. We can proceed with the armrest.
Monitor the trailing edge closely during the extension.
Confirmed. Data logs are showing stable pressure.
Trailing edge sequence initiated. We have full extension.
Data confirms the cycle is complete. Pressure holding steady at green levels.
Look at her go. It's beautiful. We built that. We built that.
Ground checks complete. Systems are green, clear for engine start and taxi.
Check the hydraulic line pressure here before we seal the panel. Make sure it matches the specs on your tablet.
We finally did it! Congratulations, team!
Look at her, she's beautiful.